Hello, I am Jason, and welcome to another episode of Historically Marked. And now we're going to go a little quirky on this one. This is about a fictional town. Well, actually, according to Wikipedia, this is a legitimate place, or a designated place. But anyway, I am in Uranus, Missouri, and it has been, in the last 6 years, it has grown to become a very popular tourist attraction, and always has been that way since its opening in 2015. The Mayor Louie Keen, I'm going to keep calling him the mayor from now on, but he's got a statue of himself. He built his empire, and kind of like how Walt Disney said about Disneyland, it will never be completed because he is still in the process of expanding. But there's lots to see outdoors and indoors on these grounds, so I'll go ahead and show you. And there is a historical marker here too, so yeah, surprisingly, yes. So as far as doing like Route 66 landmarks and whatnot, I like to spotlight not just old ones, but ones that could be in the future Route 66 icons. And this looks to be a future one. All right, check that baby out right there. This is, of course, the sign that greets travelers. This has been up since late 2018. And I don't know if you saw it, but yes, it does light up at night in my opening sequence. And I'm not really sure what it is, but yes, he is very obsessed with dinosaurs. That's okay. I mean, dinosaurs, you know, it's a common interest. But like I said, I mean, there's still lots to see, so let me just go ahead and show you what I'm talking about right here. And then the sign does say this is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So I'll go ahead and show you the world's largest belt buckle. But first, here is a double-decker bus, which is commonly used in England, Route 66 themed. And it looks like they got some stuff going on. I'm guessing this is just a picnic area, but they're also doing construction here too. But over there is that world's largest belt buckle. You know, it does kind of remind me of that Jeff Foxworthy bit from You Might Be a Redneck. If someone asks for your ID and you show them your belt buckle, you might be a redneck. And of course, it's gotten a little rusty here and there, but who knows? Maybe they'll put a new one up and something less rustified. And this is kind of like a mall, even though a lot of these places aren't open, I'm guessing because of COVID, but there's a tattoo parlor here. That's not really quite part of the attractions, that's just here. But yeah, that police car, it's a good photo op. To serve and protect Uranus. The Illinois room, what in the world? The Uranus Dental and Proctology Clinic. And that right there is a picture of the mayor. I will show you his statue coming up later in this video, but I'm just kind of taking it one at a time. Escape Uranus. I'm guessing that's a escape room because those are becoming more popular by the day. And it looks like there's a mariachi band going on. And hey, kitty, you were here last night. I'm guessing you live here. I don't know what's going here.
I seen it earlier, but I was scared of it. Oh, it's right there. Johnson, come here.
Do not take photos or video of this sign.
Hi, Johnson.
Okay, I guess it's a joke.
Mom, we found Johnson again. His name is Johnson, and
Is this one a billiard hall? All right, missing a pair of balls. Please return to Chicken Bone. The more balls in Uranus, the more fun for everyone. God, Chief. And yes, I will definitely use those hashtags when posting this video on YouTube. Right over there is the Fudge factory, but I will go ahead and show you some more of the outdoor parts. This is the Strange Museum, kind of reminiscent of the P.T. Barnum circus days. And it's actually open. I think I might just go inside. And this is just another lounge area. And over there is a milepost sign. Let's see what it says here. All right. Cuba, Missouri, 42 miles that way. Also that way, the Gemini Giant, which you've seen in my Wilmington Route 66 video, 370 miles. Now I gotta slip my mask on real quick, and then we're gonna go inside. All right, so here's the funny part. When you walk in, you get greeted, and this is how they greet you. Welcome to Uranus, that's right. This is what they're mostly known for, the Fudge. Lots of Uranus souvenirs. If you like shot glasses like me, make sure you get something like this. If you collect signs, here you go. Moonshine. What was that? What'd you say?
You said you want your Fudge pack today?
Maybe. If you're a big Bob Ross fan. Yeah, you name it, they have. They have all kinds of old school candy. They got lunch boxes. I need MySpace. I hope they're not talking about the 2005 social networking site. Lots of t-shirts. Route 66. And more memorabilia. Wow. Let's say it again.
The best fudge comes from Uranus.
Excellent.
Don't worry, we have people all the time that are like, can you say that for me again? We're used to it.
Excellent. Appreciate it. Oh, here's a good sign for you. Restricted employees only, or Scarlett Johansson. Why not somebody better? I don't know. But there are some very attractive ladies here in Hollywood. Okay, now here is the historical marker that you're greeted with whenever you leave your Uranus Fudge factory. Here it is. It's not meant to be taken seriously by any means, but okay, so on this exact spot in the afternoon of December 13th, 1964, a marital argument was won by the husband. Okay. Hey, I guess it's just there. And this here is a giant muffler man statue of the Mayor Louie Keen. And this was just placed here, like, I want to say at least sometime in the last 2 months. This is brand new. I just saw it on Route66News.com that this pretty much a tribute to, or maybe a rip-off, whatever they want to call it, of the muffler man statues. And of course, rightfully so, the mayor had one done of himself, and he's holding a golf ball. Now, speaking of golf, now the employees did tell me that this will soon be like a mini golf course. Right now, it's just a bunch of rocky roads, but in the near future, I mean, yeah, like I said, he's expanding his empire, his Uranus empire. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure there's gonna be a lot more stuff to check out in the near future. So as I'm doing this, yeah, I mean, this is probably a premature video, who knows? All right, so that's probably the quirkiest episode I've done thus far in this series, historically marked, as well as Route 66. So I hope you guys, I hope I gave you guys lots of great reasons to stop here at Uranus, Missouri. And you've seen lots of signs for, if you haven't driven on like old Route 66 or Interstate 44 in Southwest Missouri, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people may think it's a tourist trap. Okay, maybe it is. But I mean, it's worth a stop, you know. Definitely get some fudge, get a drink, and if you have extra time, check out the museums and the sideshow. And by the way, if somebody does come in here really offended about Uranus, the mayor did instruct his employees to say yes. If you're really against the planet Uranus, you got problems. So, all right. Well, this is Jason for Historically Marked inside Uranus, Missouri. Sign off.